Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to speed up Windows 10 by disabling some startup programs. Removing some programs from startup can help to speed up the boot process of your computer. To do this, in the search box type Task Manager. Select the Startup tab. Now select the program you want to disable from your startup, let's say Creative Cloud Desktop. Right-click on the program and select Disable. By doing this, Creative Cloud Desktop will not start automatically next time I restart my computer. A simple way to speed up Windows 10 by disabling some startup programs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get the latest tips and tricks for Windows 10. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.